Welcome to day 7 of 3 printing something every day until 100 STEM graduates comment on this video. We are currently at 23 now. So since we're on the theme of miniature things, let's make a miniature basket with a lid. Okay, so the idea is we're gonna copy a design that IKEA's already done. So we're just gonna redo the design, but make it 3D printable. Okay, here's the final design. We got the basket and we got the lid. So this is gonna be really fun to print out. So let's print it out. Here we go. Here's the final design. We have a little basket with the lid. Looks super good. And I mean, a very simple day. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.